Con con be con kaini con be con kaini con be con kaini con be con la vese invito so ambeve con belavanto mi visce bele tombacara Vesiti che comba mio la shambe banba bon bocanda so e shombe cari comba balom. Taiko sei by shambe colasso I no carisha bu mi belamba bua mi chiarasce barasce notana ni vala be banbe coma oye shabala banjo mi kaleshi kama levete kishanzo ala veni calavara ruando no colabashe mene me sebe cambo Baleminiana, Hamalibidini Komalele Shinika Reala Bamimikuma, Alalbiaro no Sani Dionjan, Madada dia Takaruka Rashe, Madada dia Takaruka Kama, Virioto tuane tuele tue, Mia Shembio, Nianjambabe. Bakani alala bomba le dade shomba lova vayo. Nibindo kanishande komba rasando rukande warumba vamboa. Viala la diamba. Be kombara dumba rumba ya shamba karansi kombariki kokora kanka kombe ayeli kombe biada da shenya da duasha balasa ishon vola karita da shinata nison bari di ashamba bomba lebelo baba bi ashamba bomba babelo ukakare de shamba lebedo komalesha bada de komalesha bada de komalesha Bela sakya shambo gera sai vishana zo asave somba Hey ale love shamba vaniko ata Hey ale sale somba bua Shale shave ko shabage vasho Shabale shokoba shabakasai Nikumala meroto sini shakale shokamile to komale so Nikoala shamelo sakorumale shombale bale menuo Zibernika dedo chaneto Zakarari shamataru Avisa karasha natareto Amalebele shomala balabau Hey yala de diatamba Tu kwati tishikana Takoshiki ishokom Nadidiaba Mididiada da washani yada warato amalebare da diasua nukora da liati komufio asia baba bashikiti kusho ni ana balabajo wada beriana mo hase bana shanaru ata anja bakia shomboy liocho jambaku dandia sakura reta miriata anse kera para serrato corasareta Ambera de shombai. Shh, go back and cook at the Nashabara de Diashamba Baruatia. Ara, ra, bialaba umbara, ra, bialama bumba u, tan, lanania shamba se, show, kamanine yasa, watadia sata bebo, baby auto. Niata, ala ledo niata. Deo ale belumba umba candero ale luelu alumba rukaroshom dia tosika de shabala beto kumali di asada da shanda di asana le uoi vasumala badiaba badadiaba mania bama oata zakoshiki ishiki nikoto uta malala dia baba shende di baba shana dalali osombara wai hamba inikilia se anje ke la saleveto ni amame o me bo Hoy viru varale tu karadara sarale la tu ni ama Mama babeshu bashan bakumale di oshanbu leshe la shakarua se kan a masei makabale becheberidu wasamada di koroto shemeridia dadumba mda boradia bumba barana di asumba washini karota di alianina mdera duetua amberuta mbu ashuka ni atoko osikeri shoko de kona shikri yasha tikriata kono kono arara ni amba osela shambubo. Some of you might have felt like you've heard this before. This all just came from my heart, channeling from my heart. And if you felt like you were like just going along with it, like you've heard it before, you can't make this up. Spirit, we are one. And I'm hearing those that's been closing off their throat chakra. This was a powerful throat chakra activation, as long as, as an energy clearing, awakening dormant abilities within. It's so hard for me to speak right now because it's so strong. So much like golden energies are bursting out of my heart chakra, green, pinks, blues, purples, yellow, because it is time to follow your passion. It doesn't have to be controlled. It's really what honestly fulfills your soul. You like to sing, and it doesn't have to mean you got to be on TV, you know what I mean? Or make it, or what do you call that? Most of them honestly wish that they could have done it this way, enjoyed it instead of it being controlled in that industry. Most of them are being controlled. We all know it. Come on. People be chasing that and don't even realize that's a prison. I give it to those that are really still true to themselves, though. Don't get me wrong. There's some in there. You could feel them, that they true to themselves. But this is a call to sing, to rap, like light language rap comes out. That's what I call it, or, sound frequency. Stop closing your throat chakra off. You might have been made fun of, or people say, you don't sound good. Like, really, don't let what people what they say to you stop you. You could be just doing this, meditating in your backyard, just singing to yourself, for the world, for the angels. It doesn't even have to be recorded. Just know it is being recorded into the soul records, the Akashic records, what you want to call them, soul records, Akashic records, universal records, knowing that you out here doing what you love, and it's lighting you up, and it's going into the earth. And so many of us are feeling this collective energy of rising. We are rising. So many are awakening. So many are truly following their heart, So, yeah, this is a message to open your voice again. Let these sounds come out. Play with them. Be you. Be true to you. One love, Your voice matters. The earth hears you. You are the earth, the frequency. Gaia hears you. The call is now. One love.